Welcome to today's video where we're about to unveil a game-changing revelation. If the idea of getting rich and attaining financial freedom tempts you, you're in the right place. By sticking around till the end, you'll uncover the crucial pitfalls to avoid for wealth in 2024. This insight will propel you towards financial triumph, making 2024 your standout year. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It means the world to me. Now let's dive into the details of what exactly you should stop doing. First off, stop trying to do everything yourself. When it comes to the pursuit of wealth, the do-it-all approach can be a major roadblock. You see, when you spread yourself too thin, it's difficult to excel in any one area. It's like being a jack of all trades but a master of none. You might think you're saving money by doing everything yourself, but the reality is you're limiting your potential. Every minute you spend on a task that could be delegated is a minute taken away from focusing on your strengths, your passions, and what truly drives your wealth. Consider the wealthiest individuals around the globe. They didn't amass their fortunes single-handedly. They built teams, delegating tasks and responsibilities to others who were better suited to those roles. So, make it a point to surround yourself with people who complement your skills and abilities. Remember, even the wealthiest individuals delegate tasks. Next, shun the scarcity mindset. The scarcity mindset, you see, is a belief that there will never be enough, resulting in feelings of fear, stress, and anxiety. It's a dangerous trap for your financial growth. Holding on to this mindset is like trying to fill a leaky bucket. No matter how hard you work or how much you earn, it will never feel like enough. Now let's consider the abundance mindset. This is the belief that there is more than enough for everyone. It's about recognizing the limitless opportunities around us. An abundance mindset encourages generosity, creativity, and the courage to take risks, all of which are essential for financial success. So, start focusing on abundance. Embrace the possibilities and opportunities that surround you. Remember, money is a renewable resource. If you lose some, you can make more. Wealth isn't a zero-sum game. Your wealth is limited only by your mindset. Thirdly, overcome your fear of failure. This fear, it is like an anchor, holding you back, keeping you from setting sail towards the vast ocean of financial success. It's a fact that no great achiever has ever made strides without stumbling a few times, sometimes even falling flat on their faces. The fear of failure can paralyze your potential for financial growth. It's as simple as that. But here's the catch. It's not about avoiding failure, but rather embracing it. It's about taking calculated risks, knowing that failure is not just an option, but a probability. And why not? It's through failure that we learn the most valuable lessons. It's through failure that we find new and better ways to approach our goals. So don't let the fear of failure stop you from making bold financial moves. Embrace it, learn from it, and grow because of it. Remember, failure is often a stepping stone to success. Fourth, stop neglecting investments. Investments are like seeds. When properly nurtured, they grow into abundant trees, yielding fruits for years to come. But just like a seed, an investment needs time. It needs patience. It requires a steady hand and an understanding of the seasons. Consider compound interest as nature's way of saying thank you for waiting. With time, your initial investment grows, and then the interest on that investment grows. It's a snowball, rolling down a hill, gaining momentum, gathering size. Imagine if you had started investing 5 years ago, 10 years ago. Where would you be now? It's not about regret, but about recognizing the power of time in the realm of investments. Investing is not just about having extra cash, it's about securing your future, creating financial stability, and paving the way to financial freedom. Investments are your ticket to financial freedom. Fifth, stop ignoring financial education. Now this is a big one. Many of us have a tendency to shy away from financial jargon, thinking it's too complex or dry. But did you know? Financial literacy is one of the most powerful tools you can equip yourself with. It's like having a secret weapon in your arsenal that can help you navigate the choppy waters of the financial world. Understanding interest rates, investment portfolios, the stock market, tax implications and the like are not just for the Wall Street wolves. They should be part of your everyday knowledge. Why? Because they directly impact your financial health and wealth accumulation. Continuous learning in this area isn't optional, it's essential. You don't need a finance degree. Start with basics, read books, take online courses, listen to podcasts. Make it a habit, make it fun. Because at the end of the day, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to finances. Sixth, stop neglecting goal setting. It's like embarking on a journey without a map or destination in mind. You'll wander aimlessly, and the chance of reaching your desired financial wealth is slim to none. Setting clear, achievable financial goals is a game changer. These aren't just arbitrary numbers or wishful thinking. They are specific targets that provide direction and motivation. With such goals in place, you'll know exactly where you're heading, and every decision you make will be a step closer to your financial success. Imagine wanting to save $1 million by the end of the year. Without a goal, it's a daunting task. But break it down into monthly, weekly, even daily targets, and suddenly, it's manageable. You'll be surprised how small, consistent efforts can lead to significant results. So jot down your financial goals, break them into achievable steps, and commit to them. Remember, goals are the roadmap to your financial success. Seventh, stop procrastinating. It's the silent killer of financial growth, lurking in the shadows of tomorrow and someday. Procrastination feeds on indecision and doubt, and it thrives in the comfort of complacency. It tells us, there's always tomorrow. But in the world of finance, tomorrow might be too late. Opportunities for growth and wealth don't wait for anyone. They're like trains at a bustling station, always on the move. Miss one, and you'll have to wait for the next, hoping it's as good as the one you missed. So how do we combat this? By taking action today. By committing to making decisions and following through, no matter how small the step may seem. Remember, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So, don't wait for someday. Start your journey towards financial growth today. The best time to start is now. Eighth, stop comparing yourself to others. This is a trap that many of us easily fall into. It's the age of social media, where everyone's successes are on display, and it's easy to feel like you're lagging behind. But remember, comparison is not just the thief of joy, but also the enemy of wealth. Every time you compare your financial journey to someone else's, you're setting yourself up for dissatisfaction and potentially making hasty decisions that could hinder your financial growth. Instead, focus on your own journey. Understand that everyone's financial path is different, influenced by a myriad of factors, from personal values to circumstances. Your goal should be to better your financial situation compared to where you were yesterday, last month, or last year. Keep your eyes on your own paper, and remember that the only person you should try to outdo is the person you were yesterday. Your journey is unique. Embrace it. Ninth, stop seeking instant gratification. It's a trap, a quicksand that pulls you into financial stagnation. The allure of immediate rewards can be powerful, but it's a mirage, a distraction from the path to true wealth. You see, wealth isn't built overnight. It's a result of consistent effort, smart decisions, and most importantly, patience. It's about planting the seeds of your fortune and diligently tending to them, allowing them to grow and multiply over time. Instant gratification, on the other hand, is like picking an unripe fruit. It might quench your immediate hunger, but it won't satisfy you in the long run. It won't let you enjoy the sweet, succulent taste of a fruit that's been allowed to ripen fully. So the next time you're tempted to seek instant gratification, remember this. True wealth is a long-term game. It's a marathon, not a sprint. And the key to winning this marathon is patience. Patience is a virtue in the journey to wealth. Finally, stop settling for mediocrity. It's a trap that's all too easy to fall into. But when it comes to financial growth, mediocrity is the enemy. You see, the road to wealth is paved with continuous improvement and the pursuit of excellence. Settling for just enough or okay is like putting a cap on your potential. Imagine if the world's most successful investors, inventors, or business people had settled for mediocrity. Where would we be then? Mediocrity doesn't breed innovation, growth, or prosperity. It breeds stagnation. And stagnation is the enemy of progress. The key to breaking free from mediocrity is to constantly challenge yourself. Aim to learn something new every day. Seek out opportunities to improve your skills, expand your knowledge, and grow your wealth. Never be content with just enough. Always strive for more. Remember, your financial future is in your hands, so let's make it count. Strive for excellence, not mediocrity. Your journey to wealth in 2024 starts with these changes. It's time to take action and start implementing these changes. Start today and see the difference in your financial future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content that empowers your financial journey. Until next time, apply what you've learned, stay disciplined, and take that one step closer to being rich in 2024. I will see you in the next video.